The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello, welcome back to the social class. Hope you all are happy and safe at your homes, isn't it? Yes. This is the first social class in the new year 2021, isn't it? Yes. So I wish you all a happy and prosperous new year. Okay? Yes. So let's start today's class. Okay? Yes. In the last class, we have started the new chapter 7, the ups and downs of the earth. And in this chapter, we have discussed about landforms, then about different types of landforms such as mountain ranges, then yes, right, valleys, then also about plateaus, isn't it? Yes. So I hope all of you have read the content very well, isn't it? Yes, very good. So today we are going to study about the rest of the landforms. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. So take page number 4 in your studio. Okay, here you can see 2 pictures. Study these pictures, label the landforms and state one difference and one similarity between the two. So you can see 2 pictures there. So you have to write the name of the landform and you have to write one difference and one similarity between the 2 landforms. Okay? Yes. Then coming to the landform, plain. The next landform is plain. A plain is a broad, flat stretch of land that is at sea level. So plain is a broad, flat stretch of land that is at sea level. It is at the sea level. Sea level lana plains undayirikka. Okay. It is generally found at the base of a mountain, along a river or a sea. These plains are found at the base of the mountain. We have studied about the mountains, isn't it? So these plains are found at the base of the mountain. Mountain base lana plains undayirikka. A mountain along a river or a sea. Plains near the sea coast are called coastal plains. So the plains near the sea or ocean, that is called as coastal plains. And those found in the interior part of a country are called inland plains. So the plains that are found in the interior part of a country, the plains that are found at the interior part, at the inner part of the country, that is called as inland plains. The next one, an island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. So an island is a piece of land that's surrounded by water in the all 4 sides. Okay. Yes. Then a large group of islands close to each other form an archipelago. The Lakshadweep Island group is an example of an archipelago. Okay. So what is called archipelago? Yes, it is a large group of islands close to each other is called as archipelago. Okay. The Lakshadweep Island group is an example for archipelago. Okay. The next one is deserts. We all know what are deserts, isn't it? Yes, deserts are large dry areas of lands which receive little or no rainfall throughout the year. As we all know, deserts are dry areas of land which receive no rainfall or less rainfall throughout the year. The vegetation here is scanty due to shortage of water. There is only less vegetation in this area due to the shortage of water. Okay. There are two types of deserts, hot desert and cold desert. Hot deserts are covered with sand. Sand dunes are huge hills of sand formed by the winds. We can see sand dunes in the deserts. They are formed by the winds. Sand dunes are huge hills of sand formed by the wind. Some animals found in hot deserts are camel, snakes, lizards and rats. Thar Desert in India is a hot desert. We have already studied about Thar Desert in India, isn't it? Yes, Thar Desert is a hot desert in India. Is it clear? Yes. The next one, cold desert. Cold deserts are covered with snow. Just like the name resembles, it is covered with snow. They receive snowfall during the winters. Animals such as penguins, whales and fur seals survive in cold deserts. Okay, these animals can survive in extreme cold. So, the animals such as penguins, whales and fur seals survive in cold desert. The Gobi Desert in Mongolia is an example for cold desert. Okay, so the landform desert is divided into two. They are hot desert and cold desert. Hot desert are covered with sand and the cold deserts are covered with snow. Then refer to an atlas and fill in the blanks. Dash is a continent that is also an island. So you have to find the answers for these questions. Dash is a continent that is a cold desert. There are many other interesting landforms that may not occupy as much space on earth as mountains, plateaus and plains. Let us learn about a couple of them. A peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. We have already studied about peninsula, isn't it? A peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides and land on one side. And India is an example for? Yes, India is an example for peninsula. For example, India is a peninsula. It have three sides water, isn't it? One side Arabian Sea, at down it is Indian Ocean, at the next side it is Bay of Bengal, isn't it? So India is a peninsula. Another example is the state of Florida in USA. Most peninsulas have a cape which is the tip of land extending into the water body such that it provides a view of sea on all three sides. So most peninsula have a cape. Do you know what is a cape? Yes, this is a cape. That means it is the tip of land extending into the water body, extending into the sea or the water body. ഏത് water body ആണോ അതിലേക്ക് extend ചെയ്ത് നിൽക്കുന്ന ഭാഗത്തിനെയാണ് cape എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay. Yes. So, cape is a tip of land extending into the water body such that it provides a view of sea on all three sides. So, these all are the landforms. So, we have completed the different types of landforms, isn't it? The first one is mountain, the second one is mountain range, then third one valley, and the fourth one plateau, and the fifth one plains, and the sixth one islands, and the seventh one deserts, and the last one, which is that? Which is that? Yes, it is peninsula. I hope all of you understood about the different types of landforms, isn't it? So read the contents thoroughly and study the types of landforms. Okay. So we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, bye bye.